childcare owners. How is everyone doing out there that is a childcare owner? So if you're watching this video, I want you to grab a pen and I want you to grab a notebook, because today we're going to talk about the 3 accounting challenges that I see many childcare owners facing. Okay, to those of you guys who do not know me, my name is Donna and I am a childcare CFO. What do? I assist childcare owners in ensuring that you guys are not paying more than your fair share in taxes via loopholes and guidelines. And I also assist the childcare owner with increasing their revenues to a 6-figure, 7-figure scale with strategic financial management. So let's go ahead and dive in about today's video. We're going to talk about the accounting challenges that I see childcare owners making, and it's causing them great pain, great heartburn. I work with a lot of childcare owners, so these are 3 of the most common accounting challenges that I see childcare owners facing. The first accounting challenge is going to be payroll. As a childcare owner, we know that you guys are home-based, family-based, center-based. You guys own Montessori's, preschools, and things of that nature. So you guys have staff, you have nutrition coordinators, you have directors, you have administrative staff, and the list goes on and on. So a challenge that I see a lot of childcare owners having is in regards to payroll. It's how you're paying your staff. It's how you're paying your administrative chain of command. It's how you're paying your workers, your teachers, your lead assistants. It's how you're paying your directors, how you're paying your landscapers and your nutrition coordinators, your transportation coordinators, and things like that. Payroll is very critical. I have seen numerous correspondence that comes from the IRS to childcare owners because they are not handling their payroll correctly. They are they're having a challenge with filing payroll taxes. They're not knowing what payroll tax forms to file. They are not knowing what filing periods they need to file for. In regards to payroll, a lot of childcare owners are not knowing how to classify their workers. They're not knowing if this person should be classified as a W-2 worker, if this person should be classified as a contract worker, or maybe a hybrid. Maybe this person is a W-2/contract worker. All those things are challenges that many childcare owners are facing. And what I'm seeing in regards to the correspondence that's coming from the IRS is there are steep penalties. There are steep penalties for not appropriately classifying your workers. When I say not appropriately classifying your workers, I mean that, you're classifying a contract worker as a W-2 employee and vice versa. Maybe you're classifying a W-2 worker as a contract employee, or maybe you're just classifying everybody as a contract employee when they should indeed be W-2 workers and vice versa. What this is causing is that it's causing a red flag to the IRS, and the IRS is sending you as the childcare owner correspondence that says that you have penalties and you have to go back, retroactively go back, meaning go back to past months, and you're going to have to pay payroll taxes in regards to all those workers that they call misclassified, meaning you're going to have to go pay payroll taxes for all those workers that you were classified as a contract worker that was indeed a W-2 worker. You have to catch up and pay all of those payroll taxes back in regards to that situation, including any interest, any penalties that they've assessed. Okay, so knowing what to do in regards to your payroll is very critical. Knowing how to classify your employees as a childcare owner is very critical. Knowing what payroll forms that you need to file, such as your 940s, your 941s, your 944s. Not only knowing what forms to file, but when to file them, how to file them, when to file payroll forms with your state, when to file the payroll forms with the federal agencies. All of this plays a part in payroll. In addition, paying your workers on time. Okay, that's another thing. Challenge that childcare owners are facing, not being able to pay their payroll workers on time. Okay, There are many reasons that we're not going to dive into. That's going to be for a later video as to why you cannot pay your your workers on time, but that's very important. That's a challenge that a lot of childcare owners are having. And as we all know, if we were working with someone or working for someone, we definitely want to get paid on time. We want to make sure that the correct federal taxes are being withdrawn from our paychecks. We want to make sure that any contributions that we're making to any supplemental insurance, any garnishments, everything's being taken care of via payroll. And this is a lot of things that I see in regards to the childcare owner, where these things are being missed. These things are being lackadaisical, and they're being slacked on, which is also causing problems for the employees. Okay, so not only is the childcare owner having challenges with the IRS from a payroll standpoint, but they're also having challenges with their employees from the payroll standpoint. So guys, this is very important that you reach out to an accounting professional, specifically in the childcare industry, who can assist you with these things, so that you have happy employees, and so that you're not owing penalties and having to pay back all those payroll taxes to the IRS, because that can be a very steep amount. So if you are a childcare owner and you've listened to this video, you've taken notes, and you know that you need assistance from a payroll standpoint, you need an assistance from a financial professional in the childcare industry, there will be a link below this video. Click the link, book a free 15-minute strategy session. Myself or one of my staff will reach out to you, and we'll definitely assist you and lead you and guide you into what it is that you need to do to make sure that your childcare operation is operating from a financial standpoint, a very solid financial standpoint. So I thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.